Good day everyone, good day classmates, good day Sir Badon. I am going to discuss to you the significance of folk dance.
People have been doing folk dances for hundreds of years. And until now, may iba't iba pa rin mga tao sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas ang sumasayaw ng ganitong uri ng sayaw. And there is value keeping that tradition alive. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga o importante ang folk dance? The reason is that they preserve the Philippine culture and pass it on the next generation. They are keeping the culture alive. Kailangan din itong ipasa sa iba't ibang mga henerasyon para hindi ito makalimutan. Binibigyan siya ng kahalagahan ngayon, binibigyan siya ng worth, binibigyan siya ng value until now para hindi mawala o hindi makalimutan. Folk arts, especially folk music and dance, embody the fundamental values of great worth to our culture, our nation, and our children. There is no better way to share time together as families and friends. Our job is to preserve the joyful tunes we have inherited from our ancestors and to pass them on to others. We have different nature of dance. And first in our list is occupational dances. Occupational dances depict actions of a particular occupation. It depicts the lifestyle and daily work of the people living in various topographies. They are depicting their customs in the workplace. Examples are planting, ponding, and pasigin. This pasigin is a kind of occupational dance and it's about a fisherman trying to catch bangus, shrimps, and sugpo with the use of sibut, not knowing it has big hole in it. This gives him a difficult time because the fish keeps slipping out of the net. The movements of the girls imitate those of the bangus and shrimps and sugpo. So, pinapakita nila kung anong uri ng pamumuhay yung meron sila o ano yung trabaho na ginagawa nila through this kind of dance. And this dance is called occupational dance. Next is the religious or ceremonial dance. It is associated with religion and the purpose is ceremonial or ritualistic. It is related to and overlaps with sacred dance and ecstatic dance. Examples are dugso, suwa-suwa, and subli. The subli is considered a favorite of the people of the municipality of Buan, Batangas. It is a ceremonial worship dance performed in homage to the Holy Cross, referred to in the vernacular as Mahal na Poong Santa Cruz. Next is the comic dances. Comic dances depict funny movements for entertainment. So the sole purpose of this dance is for entertainment. The examples are kinotan, makongo, and kinotom. The kinoton is a comic dance from Ilocos Sur. It depicts the movement of a person beaten by ants.
The continuation of my report will be going to discuss by the next reporter. So that's all. Good morning and thank you.
Okay, so ay nako, hindi pa pala ako ready. Ayan, so since I'm all set, now let's continue discussing the nature of folk dance. So tara, bumiyahin na tayo para malaman natin yung iba pang mga nature of folk dance. So for this travel, we will witness the other 5 nature of dances, which are the game dance, the wedding dance, the courtship dance, the festival dances, and the war dances. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the travel. So yun, nakita ko na ang game dance. Tara, puntahan natin. Let's go! Game dances. Game dances done with play elements. Example is lubi-lubi, payo, and kadang-kadang. While kadang-kadang is a traditional game played outdoor or in the playground. So this is the example of game dances, which is kadang-kadang. And it was performed by the Leyte Kalipayan Dance Company in the Philippines. Now let's have the wedding dances. Example of that is the pantomima, which is usually performed during wedding feasts. Pantomima was originally a wedding dance from the towns of Bicos Estandante and Sorsogon sub-regions. This dance is traditionally performed during wedding festivities by the couple and their visitors. The dance is still popular in the Bicol region even up to this time. Alam nyo ba na ang Sorsogon ay nakapag-set ng isang new Guinness World Record last 2019 by performing a synchronized folk dance, which is the pantomima sa Tinampo, with the number of 7,127 participants. Diba ang galing? Next is the courtship dance. Of course, it depicts the art of courtship, panliligaw. Example of that is Kuracha. Kuracha is commonly performed during festivals in Bohol and other Visayan region. This dance portrays a young couple trying to get each other attention. It is usually performed in a moderate waltz style. That is the Kuracha. Well, next is the festival dances. Festival dances is suitable for very special occasion. An example of that is Ati-Atihan. This Santo Niño festival started it all. It is one of the oldest festival here in the Philippines. Ati-Atihan is characterized by a parade filled with face-painted celebrants, indigenous costumes and weapons, tribal dances, and loud drum beats. And lastly is war dance. War dance shows imagery combat. Of course, nagpapakita lang yan ng mga fight scenes at ng iba pang mga war scenarios. Actually, the tourism department called the attention of Cordillerans para daw matone down kahit kakonti lang. Para matone down yung pagpe-perform nila o yung performance level nila sa pagpapalabas ng mga war dances. Because some of the people na misinterpret na nila yung war dances na hindi na daw, baka hindi na daw safe sa lugar na yon o baka ano na daw. So sometimes it also affects the tourism sa kanilang mismong lugar. But actually on the other hand, war dance which is being performed by the Cordillerans was also performed in a big stage which is Southeast Asian Games 2019. Isa sila sa mga nag-perform during the opening performance. Okay, so those are the nature of dance. So hopefully you have gathered a lot of learnings from our trip. So thank you so much for being with me, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.